Are you looking for some quick and easy ways to make money? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 different methods that you can use to earn some extra cash. And the best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. So whether you're looking to supplement your income or just want to earn some extra spending money, these methods will definitely come in handy. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take notes. By the end of this video, you'll have plenty of ideas on how to start making money from the comfort of your own home. Starting a blog is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and for good reason. It's relatively easy to set up and can be very profitable if done correctly. To start a blog, you'll need to choose a niche, find a good domain name, and then create high-quality content that people are interested in reading. Once you've created a few posts, you can monetize your blog with ads, affiliate marketing, or by selling products and services. Another great way to make money online is through email marketing. You can create an email list and then send out newsletters with valuable content or promotional offers to businesses. This can be a great way to make money through sponsorships or by selling advertising space in your emails. But before you dive into email marketing, make sure you understand the rules and regulations to avoid any legal issues. If you're a creative type, you could try your hand at graphic design. There's a lot of demand for graphic designers online, especially those who can create logos, brochures, and other marketing materials. You can find clients by offering your services on freelance websites or by reaching out to businesses directly. If you're not a designer, don't worry. You can learn the basics of graphic design through online tutorials and courses. If you're good with numbers and have a knack for problem solving, you could consider becoming an accountant. Accountants are always in demand, and you can work for a company or start your own accounting business. To become an accountant, you'll need to get a degree in accounting or a related field and pass the Certified Public Accountant exam. Now let's talk about direct sales. This involves selling products directly to consumers, either in person or online. You can sell products from home, such as candles, soaps, or jewelry. Or you can sell digital products like ebooks and online courses. Direct sales can be a great way to make money, because you don't have to rely on middlemen to sell your products. You can set your own hours and work at your own pace. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you're in control of your own business. Next up is dropshipping. This is a popular e-commerce model where you don't actually have to keep any inventory on hand. Instead, you list products from suppliers on your website or social media channels, and when an order comes in, the supplier ships the product directly to your customer. Dropshipping can be a great way to make money, because you don't have to worry about storing or shipping products yourself. However, it's important to note that dropshipping can be very competitive, and you'll need to make sure that you're reoffering something unique to stand out. All right, let's talk about online surveys. This is one of the easiest ways to make money from home. All you need to do is provide your opinion on various topics through surveys, and you can earn points or cash for your time. There are many reputable survey websites online that can provide you with a steady stream of survey opportunities. So if you're looking for a simple way to make some extra cash, online surveys may be the perfect option for you. Next up, we have paid transcription. Transcription is the process of converting audio or video recordings into text. And as a paid transcriber, you can earn money by converting audio files for businesses and individuals. This is a great opportunity for those who have excellent listening and typing skills. You can find transcription jobs on freelance websites or by reaching out to transcription companies directly. If you're passionate about a particular subject, you could try your hand at writing ebooks. Ebooks are a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with the world, and you can earn money through ebook sales or by offering your ebook for free in exchange for email subscribers. With the rise of self-publishing platforms, it's easier than ever to publish and distribute your ebook. So if you have a book in you, now's the time to write it. Finally, let's talk about proofreading. This is another great opportunity for those with excellent grammar and attention to detail. As a proofreader, you can earn money by checking written materials for errors in grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style. You can find proofreading jobs on freelance websites or by reaching out to publishing companies directly. So there you have it, 10 different methods to make money. The best part is, you don't need a college degree or years of experience to get started. With a little creativity and effort, you can start earning money today. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or make a full-time income, These methods will definitely come in handy. Remember, the key to success is consistency and dedication. So don't give up if you don't see results immediately. Keep at it, and you'll eventually reach your financial goals. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best of luck on your journey to financial success. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to learn more about making money online, check out our other videos. We have plenty of great tips and advice to share. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.